When you're in town, later on. absolutely superb. Fantastic. You're going to have a big bow. Come on, let's hear it once more. It's Zumba Suzy. Oh, are you warm?
Warm, but warm, yeah.
Now, if somebody wanted to come along and join in your Zumba, I take it you're Susie.
Yes.
Whereabouts do they come to?
We do classes all around Blackpool and St Anne's, but I've got a website, ZUMBASUZY.com, and all the classes are on there.
It looked like great fun, everybody. Did you enjoy yourself?
Absolutely, yes.
You look like having fun. And a pixie, hello. Have you enjoyed yourself?
I have, it's wonderful.
Well, you've thoroughly entertained us. Thanks a lot. Let's hear it once more for Zumba Suzy and her crew. Santa and all the elves there. Thanks a lot.